In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to inspect Element on the mobile Chrome browser for Android. This is really useful if you're testing a website, learning a bit of web development, or just curious about how a page is built directly from your phone. Let's start by opening the Chrome browser on your Android device. Make sure you're using the official Chrome app from the Play Store, not another browser. Once Chrome is open, navigate to the website or specific page you want to inspect. It helps to fully load the page and give it a second or two so all elements are rendered. Now, look at the top right corner of the Chrome screen. You'll see the three vertical dots, which open the main Chrome menu. Tap on those dots. A drop-down menu will appear with lots of options like New Tab, Bookmarks, and so on. From this menu, find and tap on the option called Desktop Site. On some devices, it may be a checkbox that you enable. Turning this on reloads the page in desktop mode, which is closer to what you'd see on a computer. This step matters because many inspection techniques rely on the desktop version of a site, where the full code and layout are visible. Once the desktop version of the page finishes loading, tap on the address bar at the top. You should see the current URL highlighted. At the very beginning of that URL, type View Source with no spaces, immediately followed by the existing web address. For example, if the page is https:/example.com, it should become View Source https:/example.com. Be careful not to delete anything except what you need, and make sure there are no extra spaces. After you've edited the address, tap the Go or Enter key on your keyboard to load it. Chrome will now reload the page, but instead of the normal website view, you'll see the raw HTML source code of the page. This is the underlying structure of the site, including tags, links, scripts, and styles. You can scroll up and down to inspect different parts of the code. Use the Find feature in Chrome by tapping the three dots again and choosing Find in Page if you want to search for a specific word, element, or class name. This makes it easier to jump directly to the part of the code you care about. And that's it. By switching to desktop mode and using the View Source prefix in the address bar, you can inspect the elements of almost any website directly from your Android Chrome browser.